If your screen is yellow or orange on Xiaomi 17, then what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit and then go to display and brightness. Once you open this menu, then you should be able to proceed to the reading mode, and most likely this is the reason why your screen has this orange filter. You can quickly disable it just by tapping on the switcher over here. You can deactivate the reading mode if it's enabled. Also, of course, we can manage the schedule, so if you still want to use it but not all the time, then of course you can use the schedule instead. And also another setting that is worth checking out is the color scheme in the, once again, display and brightness settings. So if you go over here, you can, for example, check the color temperature. If you have like a more warm color, then you might feel like it's a yellowish filter applied. There's like a yellowish filter applied. So you might want to tap on the default in order to set it to a nice white color over here. Also, we have adaptive colors, which can also adjust the color of colors of our screen, on our screen that is. So you might want to disable this option as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.